Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make tomato rice in South Indian style in just 5 minutes guys. This is very easy recipe. So let's start. So for this recipe what you need, here I chopped 4 to 5 fresh tomatoes and here I have 2 to 3 green chilies and for these ingredients what we need, here I have some mustard seeds, cumin seeds, urud dal, chana dal, some red chili, curry leaves. Curry leaves is a must in all the South Indian dishes. So let's start this recipe. So in this pan I have added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So when the oil is hot, we have to add all the ingredients like the mustard seeds, the urud dal, everything. So it's time to add the mustard seed, cumin seed, urud dal, chana dal, two red chilies, some fresh curry leaves, and we have to fry all these things together. And now I am going to add the tomato. Here I added the tomatoes along with the green chili and we have to mix all these things together. And after 5 minutes, we have to add the turmeric powder, the salt and the chili powder. So this is basically a tomato bath. So after 2 to 3 minutes, it's time to add salt up to your taste, how much salt you want in your tomato bath or tomato rice, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I added 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and some ghee, which is a nice taste, and we have to mix all these things together. So this is done, and in this I am going to add the cooked rice. So for 1 cup of rice we have to add 1.5 cup of water. So you can use any rice, basmati rice or poni rice, any rice. So here I cooked the rice, and when it becomes cool down, we have to add this rice into the tomato paste. So and for this dish we have to make this onion raita. So the onion raita is the best combination for the tomato rice. So let's start how to make onion raita. So here I took one onion and I'm going to chop this one for the raita. I chopped the onion and it's time to add dahi, thick dahi into this, and some salt, and you have to mix this one, and I'm going to add some salt and so I added the rice into this tomato paste. So this is ready and it's time to serve. So this is our lunch for the Christmas, and this is very easy recipe guys, and we can spend some time with our family members also. Otherwise we have to stand in the kitchen throughout the day. So this is a quick video of how to make tomato rice in under 5 minutes, and this raita, so best combination for this rice. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.